Instagram. If you are trying to utilize Instagram for your small business, or if you are one of the professional florists out there that follow my channel, Instagram can be baffling at times, but it is a real powerhouse when it comes to marketing for your small business. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm designer Frank Blanchard, and today I've got some specific Instagram tips for you if you are just finding it a bit challenging and are trying to get your Instagram feed and following to grow and get more people engaging with your content. One of the things that I think a lot of people first think of when they hear Instagram for small business is you just need to have a lot of followers to be able to do business with using Instagram. And the fact of the matter is you don't have to have a huge following in order to get a significant amount of business out of Instagram. So don't worry so much about trying to get big numbers of followers. Just start working on creating good quality content that people engage with. Focus on that first, and the rest will come. Now for some real tips. One is video content. Everybody knows that Instagram added Reels last summer, trying to compete a bit with TikTok. And to be perfectly honest, Instagram really isn't all that happy with the results they've had from Reels, primarily because people aren't really liking it all that well, because the whole process of uploading to Reels and utilizing it is just kind of clunky when you compare it to TikTok. So there are some changes that I'm sort of predicting are going to happen with Instagram. So if you are uploading video content to the Instagram platform, I would focus really on IGTV and also short form video content in your stories. And I don't know as I would worry too much about Reels, because I'm sure in months to come, Instagram is going to be making some much better updates to the whole video process for Instagram. So keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to getting your content out to as many people as you can get it out to, number one, when you do have a business Instagram feed, make sure you are spending a significant amount of time following and engaging the Instagram feeds of other businesses that are in your immediate area that you do business with. So now specifically talking to the professional florists out there that I work with and that follow me, if you are a floral designer that focuses on weddings and events, you want to make sure that you are following the Instagram feeds of the event venues in your area that you work at, and hair and makeup artists that you work with, and catering companies, and bridal salons. Businesses like that you do business with on a fairly regular basis. Following them will help, and it will also encourage them to follow you back. So keep that in mind. That's tip number one. Two, engagement. Make sure you are engaging with the people that follow your Instagram feed. So if anybody gives your postings a heart and they're showing you that they really like it, and they're leaving comments, or they're sending you a direct message, make sure you are taking the time to respond back. When you respond back to those people, that adds to the amount of engagement you are getting overall, and Instagram is going to favor that. So it's going to be in your best interest to do that. And third today is consistency. And I think this is a big thing where a lot of people get caught up with Instagram. I think there's this notion that if you post things every day, you're going to grow that much faster, or you just have to post every day. Instagram in and of itself is in some ways becoming more and more like the YouTube channel here and the YouTube platform, in that consistency and posting with a bit of a schedule is to your benefit. So if you can really get in the habit of posting and deciding on a schedule that you can stick to, that's in your favor. So as an example, if you want to make a point of posting something to your Instagram feed for your business on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, that would be a good example of schedules that you might want to utilize for your business. Along with that, if in addition to that you can post anything else on the other days that aren't in your schedule, or something fun and new comes up that you want to make a posting with, that's fine, and it's all to your benefit. But don't worry so much about absolutely posting something every single day. But if you can come up with a schedule that you can stick to, that's actually going to be in your favor. Now, in days to come and in upcoming videos, I'm definitely going to be creating more content specifically with tips for small businesses and especially florists on how to optimize your Instagram feed so that you can grow your following and ultimately get more business for your specific business interest. If you like content like this, definitely give my video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the bell button down below. If you would like more information specifically on the topic of how to best utilize your social media profiles for your small business, I've got some videos over here in the end screen you might want to check out next. But until next time, stay tuned, and I will be creating those videos for your social media and especially Instagram tips for you very soon. Until next time, be well everybody. Bye for now.